everyone, welcome to PhotoPlay's YouTube channel and welcome to Tuesdays with Tina. I have a fun project to share with you. With graduation being just around the corner, I thought we'd make a gift card holder graduation card that has a little splash to it. We're going to make a shaker card too. This is the 12 by 12 PhotoPlay Papers, the Graduate Collection. I think this is pretty fabulous. This is extra special. We're going to be making a card using the pattern papers in here with a few stickers. We're going to be using the coordinating ephemera pack. This is what it looks like. And then we're also going to be using the My Colors Variety cardstock, the Graduate. I really like the cobblestone, so what we're going to do with this is trim down a 4 1/4 by 12 inch sheet to create our gift card holder. So this is perfect for making gift card holders, okay? I want to mention one more thing about the 12 by 12 Graduate Collection Pack. There's something special about this. If you flip over your cover piece, on the reverse side, you have 2 instructional guides on how to create 2 greeting cards. So if you're a beginner card maker, or if you just need some fabulous graduation cards, this kit's for you. There's step-by-step instructions here. There's measurements and everything that you need. I think you need basic supplies, of course. Tape runner, glue, foam tape if you like to add dimension. But that's it, because you're going to be using stickers in here. And then the card bases are in here also. How fabulous is that? And then this is the sheet that says Grad A2 cards that you'll be using to create these 2 cards. Okay, you see Dream Big, this is what you'll use with this. You see the background of this card, this is the panel that you'll be using. So PhotoPlay makes it really easy to create some fabulous pre-designed cards. Okay, that's in this collection. So if you notice, the rest of the pattern papers are just names. Dream Big, or Big Dreams, Done, Encouragement. So this sheet here says Grad A2 cards. So this is what you would use to create those cards. I think that's pretty fabulous. This is the reverse side. You get 2 sheets of this. So if you want to pick up an extra sticker sheet, you can do that and create the 2 extra cards. Your favorite craft store will sell your sticker sheets and the pattern papers individually, which makes it really nice. So we're going to jump in and pick out some pattern papers and trim down that panel of cobblestone cardstock. It's a heavyweight, so it's going to make a perfect gift card holder. And I will be right back. The pattern papers that we're going to be using today, we're using 2 of them. We have Encouragement, which is this beautiful golden color, and then we also have the hashtag Done. I love the speech bubbles in here. So these are the papers we're going to be using on our card today. I'm going to put these aside. We're going to eventually trim these down. I also am using the white. It has a linen texture to it from the My Colors Variety, the Graduate Cardstock Pack. This measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and I thought we would put this on the inside of the card. But to create the gift card holder is really easier than you think. This piece here is 12 inches long. Okay, by 4 1/4. Now I had already scored it, but what you're going to want to do is score at the 5 1/2 inch mark. Okay, and then you're going to flip it around and you're going to score it at the 1 inch mark. Okay, that's all there is to it there. Once you have those score marks, you're going to fold the larger piece over, reinforce that score line. And then with this bottom piece, you're going to fold it up, reinforce that score line. This is our gift card holder pack. Reinforce that score line, and this is what's going to hold our gift card. Okay? Now, what we're going to do next is take some glue, and we're going to reinforce the left and right here. I'm going to add some glue to the left and right. We're going to just tack this down. With this piece, since this is a real pretty gray, I thought we'd add in a piece of white, and I really like the texture to this. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of glue. And then we're going to add this on the inside. We're going to slide it in there. Add this on the inside of our card. Tack it down. So now we have a pocket, which we're going to doctor up in just a minute, but we're going to finish the first side of our shaker, okay? I'm going to trim down some pattern papers, and I will be right back. For my background of my shaker, we're using 2 panels. We have this panel that measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches. It's the same size as the inside of our card. And then I created a panel that was just slightly larger. So we're basically going to mat this on our gold pattern paper. So I'm going to use my glue since I have it out, and we're going to go ahead and mat these together, and I'm going to put this directly on the front of my card base, making sure those thought bubbles are right side up. We'll go ahead and glue this to the very top of our card base. To create our shaker, PhotoPlay makes it easy with stickers. Okay, we're going to be using this sticker here that says congratulations. So I'm just going to lift this out. The stickers are very nice quality, almost like a chipboard. I'm going to flip this over, and what we're going to do is take some acetate and put it right behind the sticker. The nice thing with it being a sticker is your acetate, you don't have to add no adhesive. You see how easy that is? Okay, after we have this done, I'm going to bring in some foam tape, and we're going to add foam tape all around here. I went ahead and removed the release paper, and I also want to mention I did double up on my foam tape. If you don't want that much shake to your shaker and you want it to be a little less bulky, you could just put 1 layer, but then your shaker's not going to shake as much. Okay, I'm bringing in some gold sequins. We're going to go ahead and just fill up. We're going to add a little sparkle here. I also have some silver stars that I thought would go in. We're going to do a little mixing. Now you could use white cardstock on the backing, but I thought I would really like this pattern back here, so what we're going to do is use a piece of vellum. This is a thicker piece of vellum, but you can still see a little bit of the pattern on the back side. I'm going to add it behind my shaker, and I made the vellum smaller than the foam tape, so there's actually adhesive on the back of my frame, so I don't have to add much adhesive when I adhere it to the front of my card. But I'm going to give it a good shake. Love that gold. And then I'm going to add this to the front of my card, tack that down. I'm going to go back to my sticker sheet, and then we're going to add a few extra elements. For this card, we're going to be using the books with the graduation hat on top. I'm going to put some foam tape behind here. I'm going to add this in this circle here. I think that's what it was meant to do. I'm going to take the sticker that says celebrate, 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 and I'm going to place it right over the bottom book here. We're going to take our speech bubble or thought bubble that says finally done. Okay, now what we're going to do on the inside, we're going to bring in our ephemera. Let's go ahead and take this out. I know I want to use this. Now I picked out some ephemera. I'm going to be using the tag here just to add a little extra something in the back and give me a little bit, since we're covering up our background with a gift card. Maybe this would be nice to add in the back, slide in the background to add an extra little message. I'm going to take my grad ephemera and I die cut out a slightly larger circle. We're going to glue these two together. Okay, and then on this bottom area, well, actually what we can do is here is I'm going to add some glue. to this pocket that we created, and then I'm going to tack down the circle just so it's tacked down to that pocket. This is going to help keep that gift card on the inside. Secure that, and then I have So Proud of You that we're going to attach right here at the bottom. And I'm not going to add any dimension to this, so we're just going to glue it directly on the bottom. Wonderful. After we have this adhered, I did use one of my cut aparts that is in our 12 by 12 collection pack. This says, "Hooray, you did so great." The back side of that paper is the stripes. I'm going to add this on the inside of my card, and then I'm going to add my tag. And lastly, we need a gift card. This is where your gift card will come in handy. It works perfectly if you want to tuck those twines in. They have a little pocket full of goodness when they open up the card, but on the outside they have a fabulous shake. So when you open it up, you have a pocket full of goodness. You have a tag you can write an extra message in. You have a little note that is encouraging, and of course you can add your gift card. And that is my card project today. I hope you get a chance to check out the PhotoPlay papers, the Graduate 12 by 12 collection. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.